Okay. What's your name? What's your name? What's your name? You're on TV. Are you sure you don't want to take this kitty cat to your wedding?
Yeah, pretty sure. Don't think kitty cats are invited. As cute as you are.
Look at those eyes.
You're very cute. You're very cute. If I didn't have my wedding tomorrow, I'd take you home.
Well, you can always take her home and
do what with her? Just leave her there when no one's there?
feed her to the bigger kitties.
Yeah. Yeah. What they do with her?
Put her on the floor for a minute. Watch how she reacts. She'll follow you around like you're the mom. You put her down. And she'll start looking for you. You can tell she's not ready yet. Now start walking out into the other room. Watch what happens.
Okay, I'm sorry I left you. It wasn't nice. It wasn't nice. It wasn't nice. I'm sorry. That was very mean. You're not that feral if you're following people around, obviously. I don't think you're that feral at all. You'd be hiding when I put you down. You like people. Yeah, you like people. What happened?
It's shaking. It's cold.
Oh, she's scared too. If your mom took off, you'd be scared too.
Mm-hmm. That's right, I would. Yeah. You want to come over here and get a nice picture for me? You want to come over here and get a nice picture for me? Yeah, there we go. Let's make Kiki. Yeah.
I think it's a girl.
Okay, I got you. What's up?
She has very, very sharp claws. You can tell she feels a lot better when she's...
Ah, yeah, yow! Ow! Ow! Ouch! Get your claw dug in my face.
She's looking to nurse.
You're not nursing on my face.
What happened? Yeah.
Okay. Oh. Whoa. Oh, let go. Okay. Well, let's say hi to the camera.
That's the cutest face I've ever seen.
What are you doing? You're hiding. Don't be bashful.
It's so cute.
Okay. Well, should we put it back into the...